Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a beautiful vibrant umbrella. It is fun and super easy. Let's start with the top. Draw a big curved line like a sad smile or a rainbow on its side. Now draw another short curved lines for the bottom opening of the umbrella. Very good. In the last, we draw a line on each side to connect the ends of your top curve to the ends of your bottom curve, like this. Now draw the handle of the umbrella and draw the hook. Time to color. This is the fun part. Pick a bright parrot color. Color in one of the section. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. We use red color here. Excellent. Use green color for this section. Use sky blue color. Very good. Use orange color. A very nice color. Again we use red color. And parrot color. Very good. Use red color for this section. Now we use brown color for the handle. Like this. Very good. And we use parrot color for the hook. Very good. And that's it. You have a beautiful colorful umbrella. Allah Hafiz.